Cavity wax? Uh-huh. Yeah.
Why are you looking at me like that for five?
Hey, we want to take this?
Yeah.
More.
Yeah. Oh, it came. Each one came with a.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trash it. If each one came with one, you don't need that.
So if we get another one, let's go one.
Okay, we'll throw it on the table. Put it in your front seat. Yeah.
Why Bobby give me that side eye, man? Like I ain't speaking about.
Because it's a shit box.
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm only
That's good, though.
being real.
That's good that it's running out like that. It means it's all up in there. So you just spray cavity wax from the inside out to help slow down the rust process, because you can't really access the welds in the back.
Yeah.
To get any paint or anything. I mean, he sprayed the paint before, but you still can't really access it. So you spray the cavity wax up in there and get
that's a good.
gets all
people
run
recommend that.
Yeah, because the wax is
Repels or what?
repels water.
Well, why not 451 or Osco or
451?
is that what it's called?
415, sir.
415. 51 is more potent, man.
Okay.
That's, you know.
I mean, yeah, if you can spray, if you can get it in there.
Anything helps.
But the problem is you can't really see, you know?
Anything helps.
So man, the drip rail has been saved. The drip rail has been saved.
Why do we overthink it? Why?
It's right there.
So, was it an overthinking process? I think so. That's just my opinion. I think, you know, sometimes we get caught up with, oh, it's got to be this, it's got to be that. That's the only way to do it. That you kind of overthink it. And
Well, that's easy to say after it's done.
It's a little wavy,
no, but I mean,
but
I think Bobby's skilled enough to know that this could have been done. Why'd you overthink it, Bobby? On the drip rails?
what?
Like, yeah, like why did?
I don't know, because I'm too picky.
So what? You said I can't do this unless it's an original chopped off roof, and I got to put a new roof and, you know, original
Well,
rails.
I mean, so how much was the drip rail? 100 a pair, we said last time? 100 a pair.
Like 150 a pair, something like that?
150 a pair, so, and you had to buy them twice.
3 times.
3 times, so 150, 150, and 150 is
450.
450. So this repair cost you essentially $450.
And about how many days or hours, I guess?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days.
5 hour days? 40 hours?
Yeah. 40 hours.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. So, I mean, because before that we were talking about, oh, we need to replace the entire roof. We got to do this. We got to do that. It was a whole.
Which essentially, if that could have happened, that would have been better. That would have been better. But the problem is, you got to find one.
Well, I mean that, and then you gotta think about it. You got a sunroof
The
installed
roof
in
kind
here.
of threw a wrench in everything. So, I mean, obviously, the less panel replacement you do on a car, the better. But sometimes you got to deal with what you got.
I think it came out great.
I think it looks great.
That's what I'm saying.
Absolutely.
I don't,
Great, man.
I don't think.
It looks a little off maybe on camera because the spray paint is not even, you know what I mean? So it looks
Well, I
kind
mean,
of dark.
yeah, the trim got painted, but
Trim
that's
got
because
painted.
this is just
Yeah.
mock-up trim, or
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, it'll all clean up, man. I'm not worried about that. So that's done. You did good, man. You want to say anything?
Don't buy the Impala.
Yeah.
Started shaving this part.
Okay. Yeah. So we're filling in the seams.
Filling in the seams with metal, with weld first before filler, before some all metal. It's almost done.
Yeah.
Man, this thing needs a major
Clean.
cleaning.
I'm waiting on Sandblast, man. Sandblast should clean all this up and epoxy or something.
Yeah. Yeah, that last box. It's gonna need some filler down here on the sail panel. He replaced this whole section. It's gonna need some filler along the roof rails. We already know that. But hey, it's solid, man.
You're gonna need more filler after that. Bro.
Alright, he's gonna put it on.
Now you did good, man. So all that's left is the seams here, finish that up, and the dash.
Yeah, mold dash, right?
Yeah.
And then it can come off the frame and go on a rotisserie.
But John doesn't have the rotisserie.
Not for long.
I mean, there's 2 of them, isn't there? And you got 2 back there?
You have to.
Oh. Now he trusts the other rotisserie.
That and you got
When it was his car, when it was his car, he didn't trust the rotisserie.
What about the body dolly we have out there as well?
Yeah, all that. But he needs to. Center trunk pan. You need to order that.
I mean, because underneath is pretty clean. It's a new floor. I mean,
Right. Center. That's what made me think of center trunk pan. You need to get that on there. See if Tim has one.
you need to apologize to Tim, Bobby.
For what?
Tim will tell.
Yeah, you know what you did.
Man. I can't wait till I don't have to hear a cutoff wheel and a grinder every Saturday, all day.
Air compressor going
Air
on.
compressor. I can't wait. It's been weeks, years.
Years.
Yes. How long is, I gotta look back and see when this car got here.
It's been at least 2 years, I think.
1 year.
1, 2.
Shit, it's been longer than a year.
It's
No, maybe not. Maybe not. No, because I painted the 60 last Labor Day. So we're coming up on a year on the paint job on the 60.
yeah, but the car was already here though, right?
Ah, man, I gotta go back and look. It might have been in that other room.
I think it was.
I think it was in that other room.
I started buying trim. Some of the trim I need.
Some stainless.
Yeah.
This piece is good, man. That's gonna clean up just fine.
Yeah.
The roof rails, just fine.
The other door piece that's over there on that side is clean.
Man, floors, well, firewall, floors, rockers, quarters, roof rails.
That is original.
Moonroof, taillight pockets,
Oh yeah.
and soon center trunk. Mucho trabajo.
What do you mean center light
Center trunk?
or center trunk? Oh, the
Yeah,
pan,
the pan needs to be
okay.
replaced. And soon dash.
I'll put a 60 dash.
Shit. Maybe.
I have one at the house.
I like the way you call it a 60 dash, not a 59 dash. I like that body.
That's all I know. I've never seen a 59.
No, I think probably next for this is going to be the next video. Dash. That's easy compared to everything else you know. Dash or center trunk pan. The center trunk pan, man, a lot of people want to weld all the way around it, man. You know what I mean? You don't got to do that. You drill holes and spot weld it. And it looks good. I see some guys selling some cars, man. They weld them all the way around. Spot weld. So, man, you're able to save the 44. You super excited?
Nope.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming, Bobby. You're gonna need a lot of money, man.
I'm not excited. And I need money for paint,
Sandblast
Primer.
and epoxy first.
sandblast, chrome, get the seats done.
We can do the seats.
Oh yeah, we can do the seats, yeah.
I have the wiring. I need the airless harness done.
Have you already bought one?
You got Dakota?
I got the Dakota.
You got the column?
Got the column. I need AC.
That's one thing I
You got
wish I would
vents?
done now.
I have
You
vents.
got Vince? What about the seat brackets, sir?
Yeah, I need to put that on.
Where are those?
There somewhere.
Okay. You know there's a dude that makes those. He makes the seats. You seen him? He's on Instagram. He actually sent me some stuff today or yesterday. Makes some hooks. Could be worth buying.
Does it have a location?
I mean, it's worth asking.
I know he wrote it down, but if he has all that information.
Man, so what? A month ago, we was looking at this shit.
I was about to go to Mexico.
Gone. Gone.
Yep.
And it's not perfect, man, but it looks damn good. Damn good, man.
It's perfect.
For no, like I said before, man, we don't have no metal shaping tools, man. You know what I mean? A hammer is the metal shaping tool. And he did all the work. I didn't do nothing.
Highway, I help.
Okay. Y'all did all the work.
Yeah, I help. I mean, I throw my little Saturdays in there here and there, you know.
I'm telling you, man, once this thing is sandblasted in one color, epoxy, totally different car, dude.
That's
Totally
what
different
that's what I'm waiting to see, man.
Plus 10,000
10,000?
for sure. Maybe more. For sure.
What's it worth now?
As this right here, or this plus the frame. This right here, what we're seeing.
It's 10.
No, as is.
As is.
Got kind of quiet there, man. What's going on, man?
10.
I wouldn't pay 10. Maybe 85.
You bought a rusted.
Maybe 85.
Oh man, this ain't no 1995, man.
Well, I mean, you know, like you're talking about as is. You're talking about this. You're talking about no top rails, no fender, no hood, no wheel wells, no front clip, no dash, no glass.
Oh, you're talking about all no trim.
That's what you said. As is.
Alright. Oh, that's fair.
As is. With the new floor, new rocker, new quarters, and the 44. 85.
That's fair.
85.
There's no trim.
Okay. Plus the rolling chassis with the engine.
You throw that rolling chassis in there.
Yeah, the sunroof.
That's another what? Another 10?
The sunroof's like 4,000.
So you're looking at 85? I mean 18.5?
That's the thing. That's what. Yeah, but who? You know, you gotta find that.
Well, that's what I'm saying. But I mean, okay, that's a topic that we got to get into, man. Because like this ain't no 1995 prices no more, man. This is 2024, 25. You know, G bodies ain't going for 3Gs no more.
The thing is, like, what? Okay, you're talking about as is. Yeah, 85. But as is plus everything on the shelf, that's a different story. Plus the chassis, plus the interior, plus the tilt, plus the digital dash.
So I'm saying, you don't think somebody would say, you know what, I'm looking for a project 18.5, yeah, let's go.
You know, but they gotta know what they're getting into.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, this plus everything on that shelf over there, that's, you know, price changes.
Yeah.
But this just sitting here, you know what I mean?
Give me one, Bobby.
It still looks like, you know, multicolored.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You paint it one color or just primer.
Sure, man.
That's like 3Gs added to the value, man.
That's how it was when he bought it.
And there's a lot of tools in here.
That's how I got them.
That's how you got. Yeah, maybe.
They got you with the being solid. Oh, it's solid, man. It's all one color.
Man, you know. I mean, but hey, man, you only paid $150 for the car.
It's a learning experience, man.
Hey, one thing you need to keep, man. This retainer right here, man.
What is
This
that?
door lock retainer. Both sides. Yeah, I see you got two of them. That's important.
What is
The
it?
repop ones suck.
Okay.
So take those out, put them in a bag.
Why don't you just remake them? Okay.
I think we took some off the other door, didn't we?
Yeah, we got some. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Back with a fresh battery.
No, man, this car has been a journey, man. Like, remember the pockets? We got one pocket, but we didn't get the other pocket, so you had to fix it.
Actually, you know, at one point that was like the biggest concern.
That was a concern.
That was the biggest concern. It's like, oh man, we got to find these, and then
Until you took the roof rail stainless off.
and then yeah, actually I remember that day. I remember the day when we found that out, man. I really thought
working on the quarters.
yeah, I really thought well, you and Johnny were doing something else in the paint room, and me and Bob were messing with the car, and we noticed it, and I rushed over there to the paint booth and said, hey man, y'all gotta come over here, man. Bob's about to faint.
bad.
Yeah, he's about to have a heart attack, man.
All right, man. So this is the last part of the roof rail. Roof rail's done.
Dusty.
This shit is filthy. It's multicolored. Don't sweat that.
Oh, yeah,
The
no.
whole entire thing is getting bare metal.
Telling you that one.
Inside and out, top, bottom.
What do you think? Another month or so, and it'll be one color?
Yeah. That's if Bobby got the money. I mean, because to sandblast this thing inside now, man, on the rotisserie, probably about 7 bills.
Probably got that generational money,
And then,
man.
and then we're gonna need the epoxy, which is about 3 bills. So about $1,000 to get this thing bare metal and all one color in epoxy. And then from there, you know,
He's got it.
we start throwing Bondo at it.
Gonna need about a couple gallons.
You're gonna buy the cheapest Bondo you can find. No. No, it's coming, man. It's coming. Like I say, once it's all one color, man, totally different car. Totally different car. I can't stress that enough. And that's not to like, I mean, some people do that to rip people off.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we're talking about going bare metal to show that it's solid, then epoxy. We're not talking about spraying rattle can over shit to make it look one color, like some people do to hustle others. You know, we're not about that.
True.
Anyways, man, hope y'all enjoyed it. Want to say anything, Bob?
I'm tired.
You tired? Bobby, where's my beer at, man? Come on, man. You took my beer? You gonna find it.